Alright, so Zara's going to be trying exotic fruits for the first time. All our fruits are from Fruit Hunters Co. That's like the only brand that I use for exotic fruits. So definitely check the description box below for their information. We're going to be starting with Sapadilla. Ooh, pretty. So it looks like this. Look. That's good. ¿Quiere más? Okay. She likes this one. Here, baby. Next fruit, I ate this a lot while I was pregnant. This is soursop. This is one of my favorite fruits. It's, you want mas? Mas? Okay. It's a little ball, yeah. I'm gonna open it. Ooh. Look at mommy.
Yeah.
She said now. All right, we'll take the soursop away. The next fruit that we have is the egg fruit, and it looks like this. Some say it tastes like ice cream. Look, baby. Look at mommy. Zara. Look.
I remember baby. Mommy.
No, mommy?
Mommy. Mommy. Love you.
Now Zara loves rambas. So these are rambas, or rambutans, whatever you want to call it. So what I usually do is I just let her like bite it herself, and she won't bite through the seed. Now this is yellow dragon fruit. To me, this one actually is sweet. It's not like the pink one, it actually has a taste, and we both love dragon fruit. You cut it? My mama's cutting it. You like dragon fruit? And then the last thing that we have from Fruit Hunters Co. is the Big Island Aguacate Avocado. So, Island Avocado, to me, tastes way more butterier? Is butterier a word? Butterier? Butterier. More buttery? Buttery? There we go, more creamy. So this is what an island avocado looks like. It's definitely creamier, and to me the taste is just way better, and they're just beautiful. What you want, baby? No más? So clearly we have a winner, and it's her dragon fruit and her rambas. But she's used to those, so I don't know if that really counts as being a winner. But anyways, these are some of my favorite exotic fruits. If you want to purchase any exotic fruits, definitely check the description box below. Well, thank you guys so much. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching my daughter try her first time exotic fruits. Hope you guys have a beautiful day or night, whatever time it is, and we will see you lovelies later. If you guys want to purchase any exotic fruits, definitely check Fruit Hunters Co. I'll leave all their information in the description box below. They also just started a YouTube channel, so their information also will be in the description box below. Bye. Say bye-bye.